Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to invert colors on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick accessibility, go to vision category, and now scroll down till you see negative colors. Smoothly click here and now confirm that you would like to turn on this feature. And this is it. As you can see, the colors have been inverted, and you can use your device in this dark theme right now, so everything has been changed. And now if you'd like to invert colors back, just go to the accessibility, pick vision one more time, go to negative colors and switch it off. So that would be all. So you can activate negative colors in your Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, how you can invert colors and use your phone in dark theme. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.